Yeah, we'll just talk about simulating in vapor chamber and using COMSOL. Just run through the basic thing. So this is the geometry of the vapor chamber. What we model. It's a two-dimensional model. Okay, and we have defined the porous medium and stuff. Okay, that's a part of it. Okay, coming to the geometry, you can see the vapor cavity and the porous wick. Okay, and the solid copper. Okay, and of course the heat sink and the heat source. Okay, so and heat transfer mode, I mean the boundary conditions we have to set. Okay, we'll talk about that in a separate video step by step, but so that will be in detail one. So we have to define all the boundary conditions. Okay, once this is done, we can run the simulation to have the look at the temperature, and you can see the isothermal contours and velocity. Yeah, you can see the velocity and temperature and pressure. Yeah. Okay, fine, thanks for watching, and we'll uh, we'll mm, we'll catch up at the next video, and we'll have an detailed video about this defining the boundary conditions and stuff. Thank you.